This is Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course, and today we're going to be talking about how to finance mobile home investments with low capital. Okay, so before I get on with this topic, guys, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial expert. Okay, so any information that you get from me, I don't want you to come back to me and say Kelly said do that. No, Kelly said do this. Okay, nor do I want you to think that all of these things that I'm about to tell you that me and my brother did, because we did not. Okay. I will tell you about a couple of things that we did, but guys, if you want to hear everything that we did, you're going to have to purchase the course. Okay. So do not forget to like and share this particular video. And if you have any comments, go ahead and comment below. Okay. So, like I said, the topic is how to finance mobile home investments with low capital. And I'm going to tell you what, guys, in the beginning, me and my family, we were stressing. We had money in the bank, and that was back in the day when I said, hey, I don't want to be borrowing money from a bank. Okay, I just want to use the money that was in our savings account, and that's what I did. And that was the biggest mistake that we can ever make, because you should not be using your own money. You should be using other people's money. You should be using the bank's money. Okay, don't use your own money. And if at all possible, do not have all of these transactions on your personal side. You want to have it on your business side, because there's a big difference between business credit and your personal credit, your personal side. Okay, so you want all of these transactions to be on your business side. Now, guys, in the beginning, you're going to have to crawl before you walk. You can't just, go out the gate and just say, hey, I'm going to get some business credit, unless your stuff, you got your stuff together. Okay. And I'm just going to put that out there. But, guys, we had to crawl before we could walk. Of course, guys, if you're trying to get in this business, your credit score needs to be intact. I hear some people say, hey, you don't have to have a good credit score, whatever the case may be. But guys, your credit score at least is going to have to be 690. Okay, it's going to have to be 690 to be in this business. Okay. So, like I said before, I'm not a financial expert. What me and my brother did, we started applying for after we got our LLC. And guys, you have to have a business set up in order to ask for business credit and business lines of credit. Okay. And that's what we did. We got our credit all situated, and our credit was already on point, guys. We've never had bad credit. Or I guess on the low end, we might have had like 730 as a credit score, and my brother's credit score has been even higher than mine. So credit was not the issue. It was applying for business lines of credit, establishing the business, applying for business credit cards. And that's what we did after we found out we did the wrong thing. And I shouldn't say we did the wrong thing. I did the wrong thing by using our own money. What we did is we started establishing our business, and we got business lines of credit and business credit cards. And a lot of you going to sit up here and say, oh, that takes a long time. It really doesn't, guys. We really sat down over a weekend, and we just applied. We just applied, and we got the business credit and the business lines of credit, and we started using other people's money instead of our own money. Okay. So those are two ways you can go about using other people's money, using business lines of credit and business credit cards. But like I said, you're going to have to crawl before you walk. And you might have to use your own money in the beginning. Okay. And then also, guys, you can ask for a, hard money lender. Of course, when you do a hard money lender, and guys, that's just a quick Google search, who is lending out money. The interest rate is going to be a little on the high side, and 9 times out of 10, that hard money lender is going to want their money back immediately. So that's why I'm telling you guys, when you buy these pieces of junk, when I mean by pieces of junk, these mobile homes that nobody wants, or these mobile homes are going to be sitting on the market for a long period of time. Guys, a hard money lender is not going to want to hear all that. They're going to want their money quickly. Okay. Then, of course, guys, you can use your savings account. Okay. But you're gonna, using your own money, that's the drawback by using a savings account. Another thing you could do is get a secured loan. And what is a secured loan? Basically, in a nutshell, you are getting a loan against your own money that you have in the bank. Okay. So, let's just say you got $10,000 in the bank. You are getting a loan against that $10,000, and you're going to be paying yourself back. So that's what a secured loan is. Now, another thing you could do, and I'm not really sure if you guys are really interested in this, is drawing out of your retirement. We didn't do that. Like I said, we really stuck to the business lines of credit and the business credit cards, and we did do some secured loans as well. And when you do a secured loan, guys, that's helping build your credit up. So that's another thing you can think about. But you can also draw out of your retirement, and then if you have a home, guys, we have two single family homes that are totally paid for. If you have a home, you can also pull the money or the equity off of that home. Okay. But guys, remember, you're going to have to pay that back. Okay. That is not free money. Okay. You're going to have to pay that back, but that's just another avenue. Now, another avenue you could do, guys, and I'm sure a lot of you already thought about it, is that you can sell stuff. And what do I mean by sell stuff? Sell stuff that you don't need. I mean, I have a lot of stuff in here that I don't need. You could sell stuff. And then when you sell stuff, what you do, you want to go out and find an inexpensive mobile home with the money that that you were selling stuff. You could take that money and finance your own mobile home. Now, a lot of times, guys, these mobile homes are going to be cash deals, okay? Especially talking about used mobile homes. These people are wanting cash. They're not really interested in a payment plan. So you better be very, very careful with that. Okay. And so when I'm talking about selling stuff, another thing you could do, you could sell stuff, get the money, put it in the bank, and then do a secured loan against that money. That's another thing that you could think about, guys. I'm sure there's some stuff around your house that you have not been using, a treadmill or whatever the case may be, an additional flat screen TV inside of an extra room that you have. Maybe rent a room out in your home in order that you get started in the mobile home business. Okay. I don't want anybody to sit here and think that it was a smooth transition for us. It was not. It was hard. It was a hard transition. Saving money, getting the money, buying these mobile homes. In the beginning, it was very hard. So I don't want to sit up here and fake the funk and act like that it was not hard for us, because it was hard. Okay. And so when you are buying these mobile homes, I'm talking about when you sell your stuff, of course, you want to buy it very low and then turn around and sell the mobile home higher. You want to make sure you're going to get some type of profit for that mobile home. You want to get your money back and then some. Okay. So that's another thing you need to think about. Okay. And so a bank loan for a mobile home, that's another option. Guys, that's very, very hard to do. And a lot of times, especially if you have a private seller, sometimes they do not want to be waiting around for you to get a bank loan. By the time you get that bank loan, guys, that mobile home is just it's going to be gone. Okay. Another thing you could do is that you can team up with somebody. Okay. Team up with somebody who's also a mobile home investor. And you go half and this other individual go half, or maybe it's going to be three or four of you. Okay. But make sure that it's going to be financially rewarding for all you guys. Okay. That once you get your money back, that you're going to get your money back and then some. Okay. Another thing, and I keep telling people this, is wholesale. Okay. When you wholesale a mobile home, guys, you're not out of any money. At the most, you're out of gas money. Driving around in order to find a seller and then connecting a seller with a buyer. Wholesaling is very, very key, because what you're doing is you're talking the seller down in order to get the difference between what the seller is trying to sell the mobile home for and what the buyer is trying to buy the mobile home for. So you're not out of any money when you're trying to wholesale. Okay. And then another thing, guys, when you build a relationship with the park manager, maybe you could get a free mobile home. And by getting a free mobile home, hopefully they will give you a storage agreement where you don't have to pay any lot rent until you get that mobile home up to par, and then turn around and sell it to somebody else. Okay. So remember, we are putting lipstick on a pig. Okay. You're not doing all this stuff that you see on this do-it-yourself type of YouTube videos and all these television programs, guys. We are trying to provide clean and affordable living. Okay. Now, lastly, this is another way you can go about, getting capital for your mobile home, is to go through 21st Mortgage. So 21st Mortgage, actually, they deal with mobile homes, guys, but I'm telling you, it is a uphill battle. I had a lady that was trying to purchase a mobile home from us back in the day when we were seller financing. And literally, she called me in tears saying that they were, running her through hoops and all this kind of stuff in order to get a loan. So, guys, that's an uphill battle. And when you're waiting to get that type of loan, guys, 9 times out of 10, that mobile home is probably going to be gone. These mobile homes do not last very long on the market. Okay. So that's the thing, guys. When you see a mobile home that's for sale, it's at a decent price. 9 times out of 10, it's going to be gone. Okay. So this is Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course. Like I said, do not forget to click like, share, and comment below if you have any comments concerning this video. If you want to do a quick 30-minute Zoom concerning mobile home investing, absolutely free, go ahead and message me. You can call me or text me at 800-974-5580.